Yes, so my people, new update is here. Okay, new update is here. This is a place everyone need to be. Try as much as possible to always watch my video. Not only watching it, make sure you share it. Share it so that a lot of people too can benefit. There is power in nature. Let somebody shout that there is power in nature. Okay, now this is blue vervain. This plant normally grows along the roadside, along the wayside. Okay, so the reason why I am showing you this plant, so that you don't go and abuse it, or you don't go and use your leg to mash the plant, not knowing that this plant will actually help your life, because a lot of you will go and wee on top of a plant that will actually save your life. Okay, it's not good. Okay, make sure you are watching all these things so that you learn and know the plant that will actually rescue your life. This is blue vervain. Blue vervain can do a whole lot of things. So I will teach you more about this blue vervain. But today, I am limiting it to prostate enlargement and cancer. So if you are suffering from that, your help is already here. This is blue vervain. Get blue vervain, boil it, take a teacup morning and evening. You will definitely see the power of nature. Okay, stop playing. There is power in nature. Whether you like it or not, a lot of us in few years from now, we are going to return back to nature. Nature is the way. Okay, thank you guys for watching. See you all in my next video.